Hey and welcome to Alt One. So I have some super great news for you. As you see here now, we have sell signal, we have buy signal, we have close sell signal, all this good stuff. But can be confusing, and I will explain everything in this video. But before we do that, if you want these Forex signals that you soon will see can be automated, then use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. And also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because my channel is all about robots and ways you can make money the most easy way. And yeah, nothing more to say that. Make sure you subscribe. So, as you see now in the left side here now, you see it sell signal, for example, on GBP USD. Where do these come from? And I will show you that now. So, there. Now, wait a little. So, every signal you see here now, when you see these blue dots you see here, that's a buy signal. Okay? And right away this blue won't come. A signal will come in the Telegram channel. They will say buy, in this case, GBP USD. Then he will buy this one. And then when it come from green to red, he will say sell buy, the buy signal from GBP USD. And then automatically he will close that position up here. But also he will give again, like for example up here, he will say for example sell. Sometimes you can get sell signals that you're supposed to close a sell signal multiple times even though you don't have a signal. It's just the way it is. But when you get a buy signal, you just buy, like you will buy here. Okay, you don't close it, you don't close it, you buy one more here, you don't close it, you don't close it, but up here you would have closed it. That means this two would have been a profitable trade. Not so much on this one, little profit, not so much, but still profit, and good profit on this one. So profitable, 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 profitable. Then let's go to the next. Then you got one signal here, okay, buy signal again. Then you can see it, you bought all the way up here. Then you bought again, one more here, bought again, bought again, bought again. So basically you had 4 signals live. And all of them was closed, let me see, up here. So that means the first one you would have lost a little on. But all the 4 another you would have gained profit on. So all in all you made profit. Then here you have sell signal. He made one sell signal here, one up here, and one more here. And now you can see I did manually close them just right now because I see we are already here. So I should not micromanage things, but I did. But yes, typically you need to wait till this one turn green. When this one turn green down here, he will basically close the signals automatically for you. You should not do like I do. Don't micromanage, because micromanage will in the end make so you lose money. Because you sometimes you just fall down more and you get even more profit. So don't do that. But I can show you a losing trade because I want to show you that also. You would have opened a sell trade on this one, for example. You would make good profit. You'd sell here and you would have closed the trade here, good profit. But this one here, you would have made a sell trade. You will not close, but you would have closed it up here. So that means you open the trade here and close it up here. So that would be one losing trade. Just so you see, it's not a 100%. You will get some losing trades, but it's completely okay. Because in the long run, we are making money because most of the trades are profitable. So that's the good thing with this robot. And you can see my account now is 472. I have grown this account from 100, just so you have an idea. and that is in a matter of 2 months. So yes, we got this losing trade here, but we did make it up good with these trades you have here. So now I will show you the thing that can make everything go automatically. So let me see if I turn there we are. So now let me open this one here. So here is the thing. This program here cost $149 for lifetime. So let me log in. So I'll show you. Then let's go to copy plans. Here you have the different type you can do. You can do a demo for $7. I will not do that. It's no reason for that. But what you can do, these prices are for a year. So for $80, if that's what you have, then for 1 year you can copy every single trades from my Telegram channel or any other Telegram channel. Okay? But if you don't want that, if you have a little more money available, then you should go to this one and put lifetime, push 1 here, and you can see the price then will be we can call this $150, and then you have this program for life. And that's another thing, come new updates all the time, and this one looks very amazing. So I can go back to, so basically it looks like this. You get more like a program, super nice program, and that all the trades that you see from my Telegram channel will be copied automatically. So it's amazing. So then when you get a buy signal here, he will buy, and when you get a sell signal to close this up here, everything will be done 100% automatically for you. So I will leave a link for this copy service also below the video, so you can, so that means everything is now 100% automatically, so you can start to print money the same way I'm doing. And not only that, to copy, I have now decided how I'm going to do this. This typically costs $16 a month to join me to copy all my signals. I have given one more option, so you can choose. Either you pay me $16 a month, use your own broker, but if you're willing to change your broker, or if you don't have a Forex broker from before, you want to use the one I'm using, if you then use the link number 2, you can then join completely for free. Just join with my broker, deposit money, and start. And that's good enough for me. Then you can be member for life. You don't need to pay nothing, for free. Copy every single trade that my robot is telling you to copy, completely for free. Your only cost, if you want to automatically do these things, you can follow on your cell phone also. You don't need to pay for this auto copy service, okay? But if you do that, then you can get every single signal directly done, traded for you. But otherwise you can get a signal buy, okay, just push buy, then says close, oh, close. It's that simple also. Completely up to you. So you can get for 100% free. You can also, of course, copy everything. So that's up to you. So that's a small update. I will give a new update later this week to see how much money we have made. So with that, have an amazing day.